Hi everyone. Today we going with Georgi to Koreatown. We can walk and eat also in Koreatown, but I don't know where we can eat. Just only show what happened in Koreatown, what's news in Koreatown. And Georgi already waiting me in my apartment.
Hi.
Hi Georgi. So we're going to Koreatown.
Yes.
Long time we not been in Koreatown. We can check. I know have some grocery store, Japanese grocery store in Koreatown. And you say it is good fish, seafood, like. So we can check, maybe have some interesting new in Koreatown. Okay, let's go. We just arrived Vietnamese restaurant. We already been. It's Halong Bay restaurant. In front of Japanese Mart. This is seafood. We can check later. Hi. Georgi want coffee. What you order? This one. 120.
It's new menu.
New menu.
Last time was I don't remember too many different kinds of coffee. It was maybe one or two. Now small.
We have our new branch.
New branch where?
Yeah, in Timog. There's
Where?
if ever if you want to visit, it's nice to be Lala Garden, Lala Garden here,
You know?
No, I don't know. Lala Garden Cafe. No, we can check and I will add the map. Friendship near McDonald's Friendship. I know. I will add a map. So we have a new branch. This is restaurant open from 10:30 to 9, from 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m.
Seafood.
Yeah. What about your coffee?
Yes. I will come back.
Okay, sir.
Maybe 10 minutes.
You want to check what time close Japanese mini mart? Okay, go another side. Same price like before.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. So before 5, but now already 4:35.
Yes.
Okay, we can walk little bit, 30 minutes, and after 20 minutes we come back. Okay, you can drink coffee first.
Drink coffee.
Buy, yes. So after drink coffee, you want to buy salmon? Aircon. We now sit in Vietnamese restaurant. Georgi order coffee. Georgi, do you like this coffee?
Yes, it's the best coffee I drink in
Best.
Emirates. Yes. Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese coffee is best coffee for you.
120.
Yeah, only 120. And later we going to buy fish, salmon fish, and little bit walk in the Korean town. This is Korean town.
This price.
1,050.
How much? 700?
700
So here better than in the same hypermarket? Or same price?
Price almost same. But quality it's better.
So this is better? Okay. KTV here. KTV. Yeah. IO Pro KTV. So many KTV. Family KTV. Bar W. It's all. So many KTV. All for Korean people. Or not only Korean. For Asian people. Here also. It's salon. One bakery, another bakery. Hala Hotel.
Let's see inside.
Ah, you want to...
Last time was
Okay, okay.
cheesecake.
Ah, cheesecake?
Yes, last
Okay.
time. But now I
Until 11 work. Have cheesecake?
Oh, tiramisu?
Maybe.
It's tiramisu or not?
Yes, sir.
Tiramisu? You cook with mascarpone? You cook with mascarpone or cream?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese? Not mascarpone. Mascarpone cheese.
Good cafe. Ice cream also. Okinawa. What is Okinawa? Cake? Oh, it's heavy. I think good. Need to try, Georgi. If we have time, we can come back and try.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, this is one.
Yes, but
Cream cheese.
cream cheese.
So many cakes.
And how much you want?
140.
140. Good price.
What is this?
Walnut pie, sir. 700. Good afternoon po. Thank you po.
Премиум JTV, KTV. Премиум. Police also here. Yeah, what is? Bad guys sometimes can snatch you. Yeah, I will put like this. Okay, okay, thank you guys. Because sometimes can snatch also phone, camera. Massage? Oh, rooftop here. Spa massage and the rooftop in the top here. Grand building for rent. What is clinic? Dental clinic, massage. Takeout. А takeout вот. Барбекю? Chicken barbecue for takeout.
Chicken or not? what
I also don't know what is this. Ah, maybe stuff. Excuse me, what is this? This is chicken or what?
No, not
That's pork.
Ah, okay, okay. It's for takeout.
Take out and dining.
I mean, how much this one?
We have size. The smaller one, 1,100. But included the noodles, side dishes.
Ah, included already side dishes. It's all together. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Someday we can come back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Top massage. Nightclub 521. Nightclub. And this building for rent. Ah, it's Burger King. Burger King. Sapambato Angeles. Sapambato, it's inside where Clark. Police station. It's also police station 4. It's only Korean, for Korean. Okay, Georgi, going to another side. Yeah, this. Uh-huh. Koreatown. I don't understand in Korean language. 2008. Some Gipsal Unlimited. I've been many times here with Shira. Close. Maybe open only nighttime. Nighttime open. Seafood restaurant. What is this?
Shabu-shabu.
Shabu-shabu, а вот, what?
Shabu?
I don't...
Methamphetamine.
I?
Shabu is methamphetamine.
Ah, okay. I don't know.
Yes. Philippines name of methamphetamine.
Ah, like drugs.
Yes, yes.
Ah, in the Philippines, shabu-shabu is like drugs.
Shabu.
Shabu.
Only one type. Shabu.
Okay, as here 2 times. Coca Spa, it's new spa maybe. Ага. Массаж, спа и ресторан. Also Watson's here. Vanna, vanna. From Russian language, vanna is bathtub, bathtub. Hotel vanna, hotel bathtub. Okay. Bathtub, but vanna in Russian, if say in Russian vanna, it's bathtub. Robinson. Poker club. Where poker club? I don't know. Poker club. Only skin. Only skin. Okay, so we're going to the... We're going home because Georgi have fish already. Yes, across. That's why we going to home.